Hey guys, it's me Stace. For today's video we are using the Silhouette Cameo along with my heat press with heat transfer vinyl to apply a design to a tote bag. I'm going to the very top and click on library, and I have a folder here full of my commercial designs. Now one I want to use is this one here, Home is Where the Yarn Is. This one is by Megan Hardy Designs. Close that out, we'll double click on it and bring it to our mat. Now it is grouped together and there are two colors here. I'm going to right click on it and choose ungroup. I'm going to click on the word home, hold down shift on my keyboard, click on the word yarn and the other part of the pink. Right click on all that and choose group. So now they're all grouped together. Do the same for these ones, just highlight everything, right click on that and choose group. Now while I'm here I do want to mirror the images. So I'm going to right click on that and choose flip horizontally. And do the same for this one. Flip horizontally. I have my heat press preheating to 305. So I'm going to bring this guy up here. So I'm going to cut this one out first in a gray cardstock. When that is done, I'll take that one off my mat and bring this one over and then cut that out in the pink cardstock. So when all this is cut out, we'll go to the table, weed it out, then go to the heat press and apply it to our tote bag. Alrighty guys, here we are at the heat press. It is nice and heated up at 305. I'm using these tote bags here. Get them from Walmart. I'm going to go, and I do have a pillow press inside my tote bag. Just going to pre-press it for a little while just to get the moisture out and any wrinkles that are in there. Okay, and now I'm going to grab my design. Just put this where it looks like it's straight and centered and all that good stuff. I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to take a Teflon sheet, put it on top, and then press this down. I'm not going to lock it in, just firm pressure. I'm not going to go the full press, I just want to get it on there because I do have another layer I'll be adding on top of that. Okay, so that one looks pretty good. Let's grab the second layer. And we're just going to put this on here like such. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Might need to move my little press down a little bit. Alright, put that back in there. This one I will go for the full 12 seconds. Okay, let's see how we did. I'll push this in so you guys can see it. I'm actually going to flip it around and just do a quick press right here at the very bottom. That part was a little bit off my press there. Okay. All right, now, the reason why you want a pillow press to use when you're using a tote bag is you have all this bulkiness with the handles. All right, I'm going to take this off. And I always like going back over it real quickly just to kind of set it in place, just for a few seconds. 3-4 seconds. Just to make sure it's on there really well. Then we'll go to the table and I will share with you guys what it looks like. Alright, well I think so far it looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and take a little pillow press out of there. We can kind of cool it off a little bit. Okay, turn this off. Go to the table and I'll show you guys what this looks like. Alright guys, we are back. Everything is finished, or our tote bag is finished. Once again, here are the tote bags I used. It's a 3-pack of tote bags from Walmart. These measure 13.5 by 13.5 by 3.5, so they're a really nice size. This is the pillow press I used. I did make my own. I just picked up some 1/2-inch foam from Joann's, and also this gray material is called ironing board material. I cut that, fit it around my square, and just used my sewing machine to sew all the edges. And you really want to use this when you're working with tote bags, anything with bulky seams like a onesie. So you just fit this in here. And the nice thing is you can make these different sizes as well. So you have that in there, and you can see it goes So when I'm using my heat press, it's not going to hit the seams. So I have all this lifted up, and it gives you a much better press. Is what I'm trying to say there. All right, so there is our finished tote bag. Is where the yarn is. I think it's really cute. I can use this to store my yarn. It's great for a work in progress type of thing. You can attach crochet hooks to the handles. I did not do the other side, but I will be doing that soon. So there you have it, a really cute tote bag using the Cameo along with some heat transfer vinyl. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.